Hear me out, guys. ETH is on the verge of a massive move. I'm going to make this video quick. I don't want to waste your time. All right, hear me out, guys. ETH right now is making a rising wedge, and it's making a rising wedge on the all-time high prices from 2017. It is literally the resistance that it's facing right now at 1393 is all-time high resistance from 2017. If this breaks up, it's blue skies, no resistance. It's going to move, guys. It's going to move. There is no liquidity up there. All right. We haven't traded up there. Rising wedge patterns. Now, hear me out. Rising wedge patterns tend to break down in traditional TA. Traditional TA tells us rising wedges break down. But when you're in a bull market, bearish patterns tend to break up. Here's an example. We started our bull run for ETH back in COVID-19 dump. But you can see this pattern right here. Momentum was picking up. We got this beautiful rising wedge pattern at 640. And look what happened. When we broke this after this apex, it was clear direction to the upside. Right now, we're forming a crucial rising wedge on the all-time high of 2017 range. And we're at its apex. Look at this resistance line here. Not only were we rejected here with a massive dump, we were rejected again. We were rejected the third time. And currently, as I make this video, we're being rejected the fourth time. Now, how do you play this? Hear me out. When you zoom into the 30-minute chart, this little thing right here is forming a perfect symmetrical triangle. All right, perfect symmetrical triangle, which is very simple to trade. In this symmetrical triangle range, this peak right here is your absolute high. This low right here is your absolute low. So once we break above this line and we close above this line and we retest or we get a dip, you buy that or you wait until that dip confirms a continuation and you buy it with a tight stop loss. For example, if we break above this line right here and we close and we get some sort of a dip and a continuation, the break of this relative high should be your long trade. Same thing applies to the downside. Okay, that's all you have to do. You're waiting for this line right here, this little high to get broken on the symmetrical triangle, or you're waiting for this low to get broken for your downside trade. We're literally at the apex on the 30-minute of this symmetrical triangle. Not only that, on the daily, we're at the apex of this beautiful rising wedge pattern. If we break up, the target 1 is 1710.15. Target 2 is 1840.33. And target 3, if this pattern overperforms, is $2,000. Guys, if we break down the simple one-to-one conservative target after you break this level right here is 1049. After that, you can either hold or take profit. If you take half of your position off and you want to ride it out, there will be further downside if we come down here. How low is it going to go? I don't know. I would have to reevaluate the chart right now. So this will be your one-to-one conservative target. You can play this trade. It is beautiful. We're at its apex, guys. This is a simple trade. It's easy. I'm going to be trading this. I'll keep you up to date on what happens to my trade. Guys, this is my trade, my opinion. I am not giving you advice. Do not follow me. Do your own research. All I'm saying is ETH, do not sleep on it. It is on the cusp. It is on the verge of a massive move. We're literally getting a rising wedge at these levels, guys, at this resistance. If this breaks up, it's going to be a straight shot to 1800. And if we break down, like I told you, like I keep telling you, we're in a symmetrical triangle. You can just short it below this levels. Simple trade. If you guys were following me on my TikTok or if you guys were following me on my other social media, I was updating you for early entries all the way here. How do you trade this? This is on you, but just pay attention to ETH.